Have you ever actually wondered why some of the Turkish, or maybe most of the Turkish women, have a very such radiant, youthful skin? Now the answer lies in their Asian bath rituals, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you some of these rituals so that you can practice them and have that beautiful glowing skin at home. Now, from luxurious Turkish baths to simple natural ingredients, these time-tested techniques are actually easy to replicate at home, and that's why in this video I'll show you exactly how to use these secrets for glowing skin and radiant skin so that you stay healthy, beautiful at no cost. Okay, let's dive in without wasting time. Now the very first one you should try is olive oil. Simply natural, like pure olive oil. You just have to take a little bit of it. I'm using a teaspoon and I'm gonna scoop one of it. And you can use olive oil for many things, and this is what Turkish women normally do. Now I'm just gonna let you know some of the benefits of olive oil before we dive in, because olive oil is best for intense hydration. And also olive oil is rich in antioxidants, which actually contain some vitamins that are so useful to protect your skin from free radical damage, and also reducing the aging signs. Something else about olive is that it improves the elasticity of your skin, which promotes collagen production and keep your skin firm and youthful. Now, something you need to know is that olive oil is actually used for removing makeup. Okay, effectively it actually dissolves makeup and also impurities while nourishing the skin, and that's why I normally use it all the time. Now like it is also a natural anti-inflammatory, so it soothes your skin if it is irritated, and also if you have redness or maybe you have conditions like eczema or or maybe some other skin condition, use olive oil. So that is very simple to use. Let's move on to number 2, which is also one of my favorite, which is actually combination of Turkish coffee, olive oil. You can add in honey if you prefer, which is one of the something that most women also use here at home to have a very beautiful skin. Now, Turkish coffee scrub is actually used for exfoliation. It is a natural exfoliator because the coffee grounds gently removes the dead skin without being too abrasive. And also, while you're using this, it also improves blood circulation. While massaging with coffee, it actually stimulates blood flow, giving a skin healthy, vibrant glow. So as you can see on my screen, I'm using 1 teaspoon of ground Turkish coffee and also 1 teaspoon of olive oil. You can add in honey if you prefer. It's gonna do just the same, but you don't need a lot of it because it depends on how you're gonna use it. At least I'm showing you all this. You can pick one and try it per, maybe let's say you do it once in a week, depending on which one you have done, or maybe twice per week. You don't need to do all of them at the same time. I'm just sharing with you, so like you are seeing on a clean face, try to actually do what not on a clean face, on your face, on a damp, maybe a damp face, if I have to say, try to actually use a cotton and be very careful because it's gonna drop especially if you have white stuff, it can spoil your stuff. So gently, without hurting yourself, it scrubs and exfoliates your skin. So you're gonna feel those stuff or those grounds, coffee grounds. Okay, and also something I have to note is that Turkish coffee brightens your skin tone by removing dull, maybe dry, dull patches and leaving the skin radiant and also refreshed. Okay, it also reduces the appearance of cellulite, because caffeine in the coffee temporarily tightens and firms the skin, reducing the look of cellulite. Turkish coffee is also an antioxidant boost because it is packed with antioxidants that protect against environmental damage, and that's why you're gonna stay young without aging. So try to use it maybe once in a week or twice in a week, depending on how you want it. It's so amazing, so great to try, and this is something that Turkish women have been using even in the ancient days and up to now in their daily life or in their normal daily lives. It's not expensive, it is very cheap but very effective. So you're gonna wait and rinse off with some lukewarm water. Another one, which is our third one, is honey, yogurt and olive oil. This is a combination you can try. It's one of the best because, like I said, all of them, they are actually natural ingredients, as you can see. And yogurt mask, it actually brightens your complexion because the lactic acid in the yogurt actually gently exfoliates and remove dull skin and actually even out your skin tone. Okay, and also yogurt reduces acne and also blemishes because it contains zinc and probiotics that actually calm inflammation and also control oil production. Something else you have to note is that the plain yogurt is actually used as hydrates, or maybe it's gonna deeply hydrate your skin and refresh your skin, making it plump and also smooth. Even though it is smooth, as you can see, it has very amazing results because it also has anti-aging benefits because it helps in fading fine lines and also wrinkles with regular use, promoting a youthful glow. Because also it actually soothes irritation, which is something good because it is ideal for sensitive skin or maybe sunburn, and it also helps you to calm those effects. So as you can see on my screen, I'm just dabbing or maybe putting some of it using a cotton. You can use a brush or you can use even your own hand or hands to actually just massage through and let it sit there for a few minutes or maybe 15 minutes, and then you're gonna gently rinse off with lukewarm water. Okay, as you can see what I'm doing here. I find it so interesting, and sometimes actually I'm tempted to eat it when I'm preparing, to scoop some of it and eat because it is super nice. Let me not kid you, like it is yummy. Yogurt is yummy, honey is yummy, everything. And something to note is that actually honey inside has a wide range of actually benefit. It helps in actually hydration as a deep hydrator, and also it's great for dry skin. If your skin is dry, honey is so great. And it has also antibacterial properties, and also honey brightens your skin, making you to stay youthful and also without not aging because it contains also anti-aging properties. Once you're done, if you pick to do one of these practices, you can choose one and do it per week or twice per week. Something else I have to note, maybe a fourth ritual or maybe fourth item that we normally use most of the time, or I normally use most of the time here also, is Turkish natural soaps. This kind of soaps, like the one I'm using, contains olive oil, and it is one of the best. It has natural stuff. It actually cleanses so well than the other soaps that maybe you can find on the market, which contains a lot of stuff. And these kind of soaps are actually also used in what we normally call Turkish Hammams, another ritual that is greatly done here in Turkey. It is very, very nice for wellness and also for relaxation and actually brightening your skin. So maybe just to add on it is to talk about Turkish hammams. They are super nice. In the cities you can find them in different kind of cities. Some of them they are super expensive, but they normally use something like this. We normally call it, I think they normally call it kese or kese. So they don't necessarily do the way I'm doing, but it is like that room. Hammam rooms, they are spas or stuff. They are actually a room whereby we have bath for relaxation and deep steam, and they're gonna actually cleanse you with this kind of kese or this kind of gloves and natural soaps. Okay, so Turkish hammams are actually one of the rituals done here, and they are so good because they cleanses your skin, exfoliates effectively your skin, boost blood circulation, detoxifies your body, and also, like I said, is for relaxation or relaxing your muscle and reduces stress, which is something good and nice experience that you should try. So once you have done, depending on which ritual you have done, or maybe depending on what you have done, you can actually cleanse your face and make it super nice, or maybe on a damp skin. Another thing or another natural ingredient that Turks normally use is actually is actually rose water. I'm confusing it with olive oil. Now rose water helps in actually hydrates and soothes your skin because it is perfect for sensitive or irritated skin, providing actually a gentle hydration without clogging your pores. Remember, when you're using rose water, you must use on a well cleaned face, damp face actually, after cleansing everything. Also, it actually tightens and minimizes pores, or maybe rose water acts as a natural toner, leaving your skin smooth and also refined. It also balances your skin pH, which restores your skin's natural pH by balancing and actually after you have cleaned it. It is also an anti-inflammatory agent which reduces redness, puffiness, and also irritation caused by acne or maybe environmental factors. It also refreshes and rejuvenates your skin and keeps it glowing and fresh. Once you're done with everything, you can go ahead and moisturize your skin using any your favorite moisturizer. We have a lot of them that you can use. Of course, I'm done, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.